family, welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Sandy G. If it's your first time here, you're very welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you'll be in the know when girl drop another video. So today's video is a collaboration with Vesgantti. They sent me over a modular sofa. Before me and my hubby get together and start on any project, we love to discuss how we're going to challenge it or take it on per se. So here it is. We are going to be working as a team to get this done, to get this sectional together. So we are doing pretty much an unboxing. We are taking out all the items that came in the box to put this beautiful modular sofa together. The unboxing was kind of pretty easy. It's just that you have to take all the individual pieces out. We had to unzip the base of the sofa to get the other pieces that came with the sofa to assemble it together from the bottom of each piece of the base. So here we are. You guys can see what we have done. We're gonna start doing the second box to make sure that we have all the pieces that we need to assemble this modular sofa. So this is a 3-seat modular sofa. And when I tell you guys, it is super beautiful. The only problem I had was that it was a little bit big for my space. I am going to put it together. I am going to show you guys what it looks like in the space. I'm also going to show you guys how I style this beautiful piece as well. In the end, we did decide that it was too big for the space, but it found a beautiful home with my son and his wife. They had just recently moved back into town from California, and they had just gotten themselves a townhome. So we had to jump in as parents and help them to get their lives back together on track. But anyway, negating from that, here you guys see we are using the longer legs on the base of the sofa. We are going to be putting these on, as well as the other pieces that came to assemble the sofa. Make sure that everything is good together. It came with 2 sets of legs, one a taller version, the second one a shorter version. So we are using the taller version in our home. Eventually, when I took it to my son's home, though, they did decide to use a shorter version. They do have a 3-year-old son, and I think that's the reason why they decided to go that route. We are assembling it. I just love working with my hobby sometimes, not all the times, on getting projects done. And this was one of the projects that we pretty much had a smooth sailing getting this one done. It wasn't too hard to get together. This is something, if you are a single mom, if you are single and you're just heading out to stay on your own, stay by yourself, this is something, once you get it into the area that you want to put it, it is something that you can pretty much do by yourself. But for me, if my hubby is at home, I am going to ask for help. I am done with the heavy lifting and all of those stuff. I am in my feminine era right now. So yeah, I normally call him over to come and assist me with certain portion of certain work that I'm doing. I refuse to lift something and he is sitting next to me, right? So we have to sit all the pieces out, take them out the plastic, allow them to familiarize themselves with the area to expand pretty much. So we had to sit them out, I think like for 2 days for it to expand. I'm also showing you guys all the pieces that came with it. It also came with like 2 booklets. So one of them is like a big piece of like a brochure. It pretty much shows you a lot of their items that they have in store. I'm going to be showing you that later on as well. It came with a book, and that book really helped me in terms of locating where specific pieces is supposed to be placed to adjust the sofa together in the right way. As you guys can see, I'm going through that book. I'm trying my best to make sure that it's one and done. I am putting together the sofa right now. The dimension of this sofa is 108 inches wide and 30 inches in depth. The height as well is 35.5. Love it, love it, love it. The two legs are 2.76 inches and the other one is 4.72 inches in height. Love, love, love this. With the seat depth of 26, you can enjoy so much in this sofa. Also, one of the reasons why I'm not going to be able to keep this sofa in the space is because of the weight. I can only do a 90 weight sofa in this space. You guys can see I'm putting it together, and I really wanted to put this video out before I show you guys my fall videos, show you guys how the space has evolved and changed. This is when we had most of the items that I previously had in the space. Love it. It is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I would say it is something I would recommend for you guys to go ahead and purchase. I'm going to be leaving their link in my description box with the discount code as well. I want to say a very special thank you to Vesgantti for giving me this modular sofa. It is absolutely beautiful. My kids are loving it. My grandson said, Grandma, you gave us a sofa. Oh my God, that just melted my heart. They came over to my home and they took so many things that I had in my basement just to make their home beautiful. And I really, really love that. I went over there. You guys are going to be seeing another video where I did another collaboration in their home as well. I was really enjoying the sofa in the space, but I knew that it wasn't going to be staying here long because of the space and the size of the sofa. I was watching an African movie, I was doing some editing, and it was very comfortable. My hubby did join me later on, but he said, Babe, I don't want to be on camera, right? This Chanel fabric, it is soft. It is so comfortable, and it's also easy to clean. And if you have pets, guys, it is also pet friendly. As you guys can see, I am using this beautiful throw blanket as well. So I did receive this throw blanket with my purchase. What you guys can do after you make your purchase for your sofa is call Vesgantti with your receipt number and give it to them, and they will send you over your blanket as well. That's what I did, and I got mine and I love it. I did keep the blanket though. You girl didn't give the kids the blanket. I kept this one for myself because it felt so nice when I used it. So I decided to keep the throw blanket for myself. So this is an item that you will get with your purchase. You will just have to call them and let them know and give them your receipt number, and they will send it over to you. Again, I want to say a very special thank you to Vesgantti for this beautiful modular sofa. My kids are enjoying it. My grandson loves it, and I did enjoy it for a couple of days while it was in my home as well. Please, guys, go over and check them out. Check the link down below in the description box and go over and make your purchase. Please, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put your notification bell on, and as I've always said, please take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
joy.